Hello children, welcome to today's session. Yes children, in this session let us see new chapter, that is unit 2, lesson number 2, Anuj becomes a good boy. Okay children, that is page number 23. Okay children, so this lesson is about Anuj, okay, and Uncle Rao. Let us read this one and let us see the meaning of this too. Okay children, let us read this one. Anuj becomes a good boy. Uncle Rao was an old man. He used to sleep in the afternoons. One day, while he was sleeping, the doorbell rang. Uncle Rao did not get up from his bed. He knew that Anuj and his friends were ringing the bell to disturb him. Though he was not feeling well, old Uncle Rao could not rest. Yes, children, in this first paragraph, they are telling about Uncle Rao. Uncle Rao was an old man. Okay, children, he used to sleep in the afternoons. One day what happened while he was sleeping in the afternoon? The doorbell rang. Uncle Rao did not get up from the bed because he knew that Anuj and his friends, they were naughty children. So what they are doing? They were ringing the bells to disturb this Uncle Rao. Okay children, though he was not feeling well also, Uncle Rao could not rest because they are disturbing, right? They are ringing the bells and he could not sleep that afternoon. Okay children, let us see next paragraph. Anuj and his friends were feeling very happy. They had spent the whole day ringing doorbells of all the old people in their building. It was fun ringing the bell and then waiting for the old people to come slowly to the door. Before the door could be opened, the children would run down the staircase holding their breath. So what happened children here? Anuj and his friends, you can see in this picture, what they are doing? They are ringing the bells in the afternoon time. What happened here? See, they were feeling very happy. The whole day they are spending like this only. They are ringing the doorbells of the old people. Okay, old people in their building. So it was fun for them ringing the bells, and they'll wait. They'll be waiting for the old people to come slowly. So old people, we know, no, they could not sleep that time. Old people can't run also, right? So they are waiting for the old people to come slowly to the door, and before the door could open, okay, the children, what they are doing? The children would run down to the staircase. So this is staircase, you can see now. This is staircase. Holding their breath, they are hiding there. Like this, they are disturbing every afternoon. Okay, what happened here? Next paragraph. Uncle Rao stayed alone on the 4th floor. Remember children, 4th floor. While Anuj and his parents stayed on the 5th floor of the same building. So Uncle Rao is staying alone. Nobody are there at home. Okay. So Uncle Rao is staying alone in 4th floor. While this Anuj, this naughty boy, he and his parents, Anuj and his parents, they stay on the 5th floor of the same building. Okay children. Next page, Next page, page number 24. That same evening, Anuj was alone at home. His parents had gone to a party. He decided to watch TV in his parents' room. As soon as he stretched his hand to switch on the light, he heard some whispering. Anuj got very scared. He ran out of the house. He ran down the steps. He needed help. He could only think of Uncle Rao. he banged Uncle Rao's door loudly. Tears were streaming down his face. He thought that Uncle Rao would not open the door, but the door opened and Uncle asked him, "What happened, Anuj? Why are you crying?" Between sobs and hiccups, Anuj told him about the strange sounds in his house. What happened, children? So, in third paragraph, we learned that Anuj is staying in fifth floor and this Uncle Rao used to stay in fourth floor, right? So, the whole day, what they were doing, Anuj and his friends used to disturb Uncle Rao. But that same day, what happened, same evening, Anuj was alone at home. Why he was alone at home? Because his parents had gone to a party. So what happened? He is not a boy, right? So he decided to watch TV in his parents' room. So you want to watch the TV, right? So as soon as he stretched his hands to switch on the lights, of that room, so he stretched the hand to switch on that lights. As soon as he he stretched his hand. What happened? He heard some whispering. Whispering means talking very slowly, okay? Whispering like this. Okay, children. So Anuj got very scared. Here you can see in the picture they were talking very slowly. So he heard the sound and he got very scared. Scared means no? He got very scared. He was afraid. Okay, children. So what he did? See here. He ran out of the house. He ran down the steps. He needed help, right? Nobody is there at home. So he needed help. So he could only think of that Uncle Rao. Okay, children. So what happened here? Because he is staying in 5th floor, Uncle Rao is staying in 4th floor. So what happened here? He banged that Uncle Rao's door loudly. Banging means like this. Banging, okay? He banged Uncle Rao's door loudly. Okay, tears were streaming down his face. He's crying, okay, children? He is crying. So he thought that. What he thought? So afternoon I disturbed Uncle Rao. No, that's why he may not open the door. He thought, see, that Uncle Rao would not open the door. But the door opened and Uncle Rao he's asking Uncle Rao, "What happened, Anuj?" Very politely he's asking, "What happened, Anuj? Why are you crying?" So between sobs and hiccups, Anuj told him about the strange sounds in his house. Okay, then what happened, children? Next para. Uncle Rao held Anuj's hand and told him not to cry. Here you can see, children? He's telling, "Anuj, don't cry. What happened?" Like that he's asking. He then called some other people and together they went to Anuj's house. They caught 2 thieves in the house and handed them over to the police. What happened, children? Uncle Rao is old man. Right? So what happened? He called some other people also and together they went to Anuj's house. So they caught 2 thieves. You can see in the picture, right? They caught 2 thieves in the house. And what happened? They called policeman. Here you can see in the picture and they handed them over to the police. Understood, children? So next para, Anuj felt very bad. He had spent the whole day troubling the sick old man, right, children? He felt very bad. He felt ashamed of himself. Why? Because he had spent the whole day troubling that uncle, right? Even then, what happened? But that same man, who is that same man? Uncle Rao. The same man had saved him and his house from the thieves. Right? Yes or no, children? Then again, he said sorry to Uncle Rao and promised never to ring doorbells to disturb anybody. Okay children, so see here, we should not disturb old people, right? They should take rest. Right children? We should not disturb them. So he felt very bad of his act only. Right children? So he said sorry to the Uncle Rao and also he promised, I never ring doorbells. I will not disturb anybody like that. So this naughty Anuj became good boy. See here children. And Anuj made sure that his friends also, not only Anuj, his friends also never rang doorbells to disturb anybody. Like this Anuj became good boy. Okay children, we should not disturb old people. Understood children? They should take rest, especially in the afternoons. Okay children, so this is about Anuj and Uncle Rao. Okay children, read this lesson once. Okay children, have a good day. Take care.